Hello, automotive enthusiasts. If you're serious about keeping your vehicle in top-notch condition, you're in for a treat today. I'm excited to introduce you to the FOXWELL NT710, the ultimate fit for all your diagnostic needs. If you're interested in purchasing this scanner, we've included a link in the video description below. The FOXWELL NT710 is not your ordinary scan tool. It's a powerful diagnostic scanner designed to cater to a wide range of vehicles. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional mechanic, the NT710 is the versatile solution you've been looking for. Updated iteration of the FOXWELL NT530 and FOXWELL NT510 Elite. FOXWELL NT710 has upgraded hardware configurations and improved the way to upgrade. Let's dive into some of the incredible features that make the FOXWELL NT710 the perfect fit for all your diagnostic requirements. Full system diagnostics analyze all major electronic control units (ECUs) in your vehicle, including engine, transmission, airbag, ABS, and more. OBD2 functions, read and clear trouble codes, view live data, perform I or M readiness tests, and more. Bi-directional control, perform active tests to control various components and systems like fuel injectors, solenoids, and relays. Live data streaming, experience the power of live data streaming, allowing you to monitor crucial parameters while your vehicle is in operation. This real-time information is indispensable for diagnosing issues and maintaining optimal performance. Special service functions, reset oil light, perform ABS bleeding, SAS, calibration, EPB reset, throttle body alignment, and many more. Battery tester, check your battery health and determine if it needs replacement. Wide vehicle compatibility, works with most OBD2 compliant vehicles from 1996 and newer, including domestic, Asian, and European models. User-friendly interface, a large touchscreen display and intuitive menu. Navigation make it easy for anyone to use, even beginners. Free software updates, get access to the latest software updates and bug fixes for continuous improvement. Now, let's talk about the benefits you'll enjoy with the FOXWELL NT710. Time and money saver. By quickly identifying and addressing issues, the NT710 helps you save money on unnecessary repairs. Its precise diagnostics empower you to make informed decisions and keep your vehicle running smoothly. DIY empowerment. For the DIY enthusiast, the NT710 is a game changer. Take control of your vehicle's maintenance and diagnostics, saving time and money while enjoying the satisfaction of hands-on automotive care. Peace of mind. With the NT710 in hand, you'll experience peace of mind knowing that your vehicle is in top condition. It's not just a scanner, it's a reliable companion on your journey for a worry-free driving experience. Here are some pros and cons about FOXWELL NT710. Pros: wide vehicle compatibility, user-friendly interface, free software updates, affordable price. Cons: limited brand software. In conclusion, the FOXWELL NT710 is the ultimate fit for anyone seeking precision diagnostics for their vehicle. It doesn't matter what you drive, the NT710 is here to help you keep your wheels turning smoothly. Thanks for joining us today. If you're ready to take control of your vehicle's health, check out the FOXWELL NT710. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive content. Until next time, happy driving!